Day trip.
Let's do our checklist because we're going to go on a day trip today.
Okay. For the interior, water pump off.
Off.
Water heater off.
Off.
Furnace off.
Off.
TV antenna down.
Off.
TV and electronics secured.
Yes, secured.
Tires checked.
Tires checked. 55 in the rear, 70 in the front.
Okay, we ready to go.
Next checklist.
Hey y'all, today we're going on a day trip. We're headed to Smallwood State Park in St. Charles County, Maryland. We'll see what the day holds. So it's kind of a dreary, overcast day.
Overcast day it is.
Might not be too many people out there.
We will find a nice trail, get some exercise on.
So we're going to stop and get some Java, a little bit of coffee. Wakes us up a little bit, wakes me up. Okay, I'm ready now. Got my coffee. I'm really ready for the day now. So the navigation voice is a little bit frightening. She just said something very abruptly, and so we have to get used to that. Perhaps we can change the voice out to something that's a little bit more calming. So the captain just said everybody's trying to beat him. All the cars are trying to get around him right now.
It's rough being in an RV. The traffic picks up.
You know, but nobody wants to be behind the big vehicle on the road. I'm guilty. I'm guilty of that.
You have to know your vehicle, know its capabilities. A lot of drivers don't know their vehicles or know their capabilities. I've had many professional driving courses. That helps to maintain a safe drive. Safe. But it's great being back on the road. It's nothing like being back on the road and so they have to stay focused and watch out for the other driver. No one wants to be behind an RV. We're in Maryland State Park, and as soon as we got here, it started snowing.
All right, y'all. So if we're going to be adventurers, we got to check the weather a little bit better, right?
Well, we did. The forecast did not say snow.
Snow! I knew it was a dreary, overcast day, and it wasn't going to be very warm today. Thus, we dressed accordingly. We're going to walk together in the snow and show you around the park.
Like lovers do.
Here we go.
It's rain now. No longer snow.
Is this thing safe? I'll fall through one of these. You got it on film. So this isn't an RV park.
It's a state park in marina.
Probably really pretty out here on a nice sunny day. Guess it's starting to rain. Fish don't bite in the rain. I don't know. Fish ain't biting.
Oh.
So they have competition fishing out here. These are the boat slips. Everybody's lining up and getting their boats out of the water right now. Hey, I'm telling you, it just started snowing all of a sudden.
Now it's raining.
Now it's raining. Got this pier here. General store. So General Smallwood apparently lived on this property. And I think that he was a governor of Maryland at some point. I think his mansion is somewhere around here that you can take a tour on. And just show you there's some more piers down there, more places to park your boat. And I understand there are many different types of fish out here. So they say these are invasive right now. Invasive catfish. Boats can fill up here. I heard someone say that this water is only about 3.5 feet deep. And the captain is cold.
So he's starting the vehicle.
And you're a New Yorker. I thought you could handle the cold a little bit better than this. I'm a California girl, and look at me, no gloves on. We're out here and the captain is cold, and he started the vehicle already. I might have to run to keep up with him. Captain way up there ran off and left me. He started Bliss up. So Bliss, the lights are on, and the captain is gone. Left me out here to fend for myself. All the anglers are taking off. They've got their boats out of the water and said, time to go. Captain is in Bliss already. He started it up when we were a mile back. So she's all warm for us. And we're back.
You get your coat in your
Back
hat.
inside the rig. Didn't expect all this rain and snow to come at us so quickly. We're gonna hang out and have a little bit of lunch. Thanks for coming along with us.